Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. Sharp 2016 Ford F350. Top of the line Lariat. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive diesel. Get the nice running boards. 4x4. It does have the towing package. Backup camera, backup sensors. Does have a ladder in the tailgate. It works better with two hands, but there we go. Makes it real easy to step into bed. Got something heavy in your hand, you can just hang on to the handle, get right in. Spraying in bed liner, like new condition. Got the tinted windows, vent shades. Does have a buck shield. Got automatic headlights, fog lights, tow hook, chrome grille. You got the marker lights up top. It's a neat feature. It's got remote engine start. On a diesel, that's pretty handy. Just lock it, push this button twice, and it cranks right up. Get it warmed up from inside the house. As you can see, these new diesels are real quiet. Once you're inside, you can't even tell it's a diesel. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, Southern truck, no rust. Got the keypad entry to get in. It does have power windows, power mirrors, and the mirrors are, it's got the tow mirrors. I got to turn the key on. Let me see here. Alright, these mirrors are tow, so they extend and come in by pushing a button. And you also, if you go to a car wash or a tight garage, you can, they are power folding. Got memory seat, upgraded sound system, Sony. How about heated and cool leather seats? That's right, they will cool you off in the summertime. Got power seats on both sides, clean carpets and floor mats, adjustable power pedals. It's only got 9,500 miles. Got your trip computer, got all these different things. It shows you the angle. It's got the towing package with the tow mode, and you also manually shift the transmission. 6-speed manual, but you can upshift and downshift with this button. It's got all your audio controls, it's got voice command, Bluetooth for your phone, and audio streaming. Cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your touchscreen navigation system. Very nice. You got your heated cool seat, dual climate control, entertainment. You've got all these things here: AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, AVN. I mean, it's like a house. Got it all. You also got your travel link. Got weather. Right now it's still free because it's on that free trial period, but there's your forecast. Get shows you the rain. I mean, there's rain around us, looks like, but anyway. Got fuel price. It's just like having the internet going down the road. Very cool. Get your backup camera. Up here you got some storage, and that's where the SD card goes for the nav. Some USB ports. AVN also. That's your climate control, trailer brake controller. It's got exhaust brake, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, traction control. These are auxiliary switch for some accessories if you put some lights, winch, anything like that. You can use factory switches. Got a 110 volt outlet inverter. There's one here and one in the back. 12 volt. 12 volt. You can have 4 cup holder or more storage if you take one out. Another outlet and some more storage. I do have the extra key owner's manual. Truck's like new, still smells new, very clean. Got your automatic dimming rear view mirror. Got the power sliding rear glass. And then I guess the other one is the sunroof. One touch button. Also got your sunglasses holder. This thing's top of the line truck. They got all the features. And they ride smooth and quiet just like a luxury car. Lots of room back here. There's your outlet, 12 volt and a 110. Here you got some storage underneath on both sides. That's where you put your fuel and the diesel exhaust fluid. It's got some upgraded tires, a needle grabbler, 35, 12.5, 17. Got aggressive tread, but they handle well on the road and not too noisy. You can put 5 grown people in this truck. Lots of room. Power side even for the passenger. Power seat. Got a 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel. Probably one of the best diesel on the market. I've seen them with many miles. Reliable, fuel efficient, and plenty of power. Just been serviced by the local Ford dealer, ready to go. This F350 comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty. See description for details. If you're looking for a sharp luxury dually in light new condition and affordable price, this is it. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. You can fill out the credit application on my website and I'll see what I can do for you, get you a good deal. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching.